Line Judge 2, Jesus Malvo. Team Tosar Villegas.
Ano bang sabi ni Coach?
Boss! Boss!
Tapong ko yan.
Kikita ka dyan.
Now serving jersey number 13, Hasmin Denise Joy. High ball in the service line. Drop ball, one hand deep. Pinalo, pero andon ang jersey number, meow! Hindi ko makita yung jersey number niya. Attack, error, 1-0. Villegas having the first point in the first set. Still serving jersey number 13, Hasmin. Another high ball received by jersey number 14. Libero to the open. Another into the net. 2-0. Still serving in the third round. Drop ball with the help of the net. Nabuhay. Chorial binalik ang bola to jersey number 4. Pinalo pero diretso pa rin sa net. 3-0. 3-point lead. Early lead by Team Villegas. High ball again. Zone 5 target. Chorial giving the free ball. Jersey number 1 giving to jersey number 4. Drop ball. Yes, sir. 1-3. Celine cuts into 2 points. Serving jersey number 11. 14. Two hits by jersey number 4. 4-1. Back to 3-point lead. Serving jersey number 10, Salazar. Good serve. Jersey number 1 to jersey number 4. Another attack error. 5-1. 4-point lead. Serving again, Salazar. Good serve. Targeting jersey number 2 to jersey number 4. Pinalo. Hindi na na-save ang bola. 6-1. Time out ng Tagalan. First time out in our first set. Back into the ball game. Serving Salazar. Good serve again, targeting zone 1. Jersey number 1 to jersey number 4. This time, pumasok na, daga by Chorial. Nakitang walang tao sa gitna. 7-1. 6-point lead now to Team Villegas. Jersey number 1, dropping the ball, but it was defended. Given to jersey number 2, drop ball again with the help of the net. Pinalo na kaagad. Returned by the defender. Drop ball is no go. 2-7. Serving jersey number 1, Hero. Into the zone 6. Well defended. Binalik lang ang bola. Jersey number 4 again. So with the choice of attacking. Defended by Jorial, giving a free ball. Jersey number 1 to jersey number 4. Attacking again to the end line, but too much juice. 8-2. 6-point lead for Team Villegas. High ball. Jersey number 3 attacking. Miscommunication from the side of the Villegas. 3-8. 5-point lead. Serving jersey number 4. So Sagon. Naibalik ang bola. Bibigay kay jersey number 2. Tolentino. Kinalawa. Yes, sir. 4-8. Apat na lang ang kalamangan. Humahabol ang nantangalan. Hiron serving. Sagon. Tolentino was tagap. Binalik lang yung bola. Another chance ball. Binigay ni Salazar kay jersey number 6. Pinalo. Nadepensahan. Papaluin ulit. This time. Long. 5-8. Courtesy of jersey number 5. Attack error. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan. Jersey number 4, Sagon. Serving. Free ball. Kayo ibibigay. Chance ball din. Binigay kay jersey number 6 with the help of the net. To the crowd cheering. 9-5. 9-5, 4-point lead. Serving jersey number 1. Service error. 6-9. Still 3-point lead for Team Villegas. Serving jersey number 13. Salazar to jersey number 2 with the help of the net. Jersey number 1 to jersey number 14. Yes, sir. 7-9. Serving jersey number 13. De La Peña. Long in the service line. Back to 3-point lead for Team Villegas. Returning the favor, service out. 8-10. Back-to-back service error committed by both teams. 11-8. ball in the service line. Chance ball, pinalo. Yes, sir! Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan.